Welcome back, folks, to Product Critique,
where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products.
Today, we've got something that'll make every pet owner's life a whole lot easier.
Introducing the PETNOZ Life Large Swivel Bin and Rake Pooper Scooper, the best pooper scooper with bag available in the market.
First off, let's talk about innovation. This pooper scooper features an innovative swivel bin and rake design, making it easier than ever to pick up after your furry friend. And here's the kicker, it's completely odorless. No more gagging from unpleasant smells. But wait, there's more. The PETNOZ Life Scooper is made of high-quality, non-breakable materials, so you can trust it to withstand the toughest messes without falling apart. Plus, it's easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying quality time with your pet. Now, let's talk about value. With the PETNOZ Life Pooper Scooper, you're not just getting a handy tool for cleaning up messes. You're also saving money in the long run. How? Well, this scooper comes with 40 waste bags included, and trust me, they're not your average flimsy bags. These are heavy-duty bags that can handle even the messiest of cleanups. So there you have it, folks, the PETNOZ Life Large Swivel Bin and Rake Pooper Scooper is hands down the best pooper scooper with bag on the market. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a cleaner, fresher smelling yard. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products.